Welcome! Today we are learning the first 50 essential Spanish sentences from our 500 Everyday Conversation series. These phrases will give you a strong foundation to start speaking confidently right away. Listen carefully, repeat out loud during the pause, and let's get started with sentences 1 to 50. Hello. In Spanish, we say, hola. Hello. Hola. How are you? In Spanish, we say, ¿Cómo estás? How are you? ¿Cómo estás? Good morning. In Spanish, we say, buenos días. Good morning. Buenos días. Good afternoon. In Spanish, we say, buenas tardes. Good afternoon. Buenas tardes. Good night. In Spanish, we say, buenas noches. Good night. Buenas noches. I am fine, thank you. In Spanish, we say, estoy bien, gracias. I am fine, thank you. Estoy bien, gracias. And you? In Spanish, we say, ¿y tú? And you? ¿Y tú? What is your name? In Spanish, we say, ¿Cómo te llamas? What is your name? ¿Cómo te llamas? My name is, in Spanish, we say, mi nombre es. My name is, mi nombre es. Nice to meet you. In Spanish, we say, mucho gusto. Nice to meet you. Mucho gusto. Please. In Spanish, we say, por favor. Please, por favor. Thank you. In Spanish, we say, gracias. Thank you. Gracias. Thank you very much. In Spanish, we say, muchas gracias. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias. You're welcome. In Spanish, we say, de nada. You're welcome. De nada. Excuse me. In Spanish, we say, disculpe. Excuse me. Disculpe. I am sorry. In Spanish, we say, lo siento. I am sorry. Lo siento. Yes. In Spanish, we say, sí. Yes, sí. No. In Spanish, we say, no. No, no. Okay, all right. In Spanish, we say, está bien. Okay, all right. Está bien.
See you later. In Spanish, we say, hasta luego. See you later. Hasta luego. See you tomorrow. In Spanish, we say, hasta mañana. See you tomorrow. Hasta mañana. Goodbye. In Spanish, we say, adios. Goodbye. Adios. Do you speak English? In Spanish, we say, ¿hablas inglés? Do you speak English? ¿Hablas inglés? I speak a little Spanish. In Spanish, we say, hablo un poco de español. I speak a little Spanish. Hablo un poco de español. I don't understand. In Spanish, we say, no entiendo. I don't understand. No entiendo. Speak slower, please. In Spanish, we say, hable más despacio, por favor. Speak slower, please. Hable más despacio, por favor. What does this mean? In Spanish, we say, ¿Qué significa esto? What does this mean? ¿Qué significa esto? Can you help me? In Spanish, we say, ¿Puede ayudarme? Can you help me? ¿Puede ayudarme? Where is the bathroom? In Spanish, we say, ¿Dónde está el baño? Where is the bathroom? ¿Dónde está el baño? Where is the hotel? In Spanish, we say, ¿Dónde está el hotel? Where is the hotel? ¿Dónde está el hotel? How much does it cost? In Spanish, we say, ¿Cuánto cuesta? How much does it cost? ¿Cuánto cuesta? The check, please. In Spanish, we say, La cuenta, por favor. The check, please. La cuenta, por favor. I want water, please. In Spanish, we say, Quiero agua, por favor. I want water, please. Quiero agua, por favor. I am hungry. In Spanish, we say, Tengo hambre. I am hungry. Tengo hambre. I am thirsty. In Spanish, we say, Tengo sed. I am thirsty. Tengo sed. I am tired. In Spanish, we say, Estoy cansado. I am tired. Estoy cansado.
What time is it? In Spanish, we say, ¿Qué hora es? What time is it? ¿Qué hora es? Today. In Spanish, we say, Hoy. Today. Hoy. Tomorrow. In Spanish, we say, Mañana. Tomorrow. Mañana. Yesterday. In Spanish, we say, Ayer. Yesterday. Ayer. Where are you from? In Spanish, we say, ¿De dónde eres? Where are you from? ¿De dónde eres? I am from. In Spanish, we say, Soy de. I am from. Soy de. How old are you? In Spanish, we say, ¿Cuántos años tienes? How old are you? ¿Cuántos años tienes? I live in. In Spanish, we say, Vivo en. I live in. Vivo en. What are you doing? In Spanish, we say, ¿Qué estás haciendo? What are you doing? ¿Qué estás haciendo? Nothing much. In Spanish, we say, no mucho. Nothing much. No mucho. I like it. In Spanish, we say, me gusta. I like it. Me gusta. I don't like it. In Spanish, we say, no me gusta. I don't like it. No me gusta. Have a nice day. In Spanish, we say, que tengas un buen día. Have a nice day. Que tengas un buen día. Take care. In Spanish, we say, cuídate. Take care. In Spanish, we say, cuídate. Great job! You have completed the first 50 daily Spanish sentences. Practice these until they feel natural. Whenever you are ready, continue to the next part to build your vocabulary even further. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the next batch. Hasta luego!